Okay, this is my unboxing of the lighting EPP plank. And I ordered just the foam kit because I really don't like the hardware that comes with the kit. This is my second one. There we go. And this package is pretty good. I did get the prop with it, but I don't like this prop. I use my own props. And motor mount. And the little horns, they're very flimsy, so I don't want to use the horns. Instruction manual, pretty simple to put together, and they also have the instructions online in a few places. So it's a great little plane, easy to put together. I'm going to laminate this because it's very weak, very flexible. Fuselage and 2 wings, and that's it, and some spars. Now what I want to do differently with this kit though is I want to make it backpackable. Okay, taking the 3 pieces out. I'm going to shut off my glue gun because it gets a little too hot. And I'm just going to do it piecewise. The blue stripe goes at the top, the color top of the fuselage goes at the top. I'm just going to do it in pieces. There we go. There we go. Ouch! That's hot. There, pretty close. Okay, I have the fuselage assembled. Of course I didn't do it perfectly. One side is a little longer than the other one. Unfortunately, it's the wrong side, so I'm going to have to trim this up because I don't want any angle on this motor mount. I want it pointing straight ahead. The motor mount that comes with the kit, it has the holes, and you can mount the motor on here with the screws from behind, but once you glue it on here, it's inaccessible. So you still have to take the mount off somehow if you ever want to remove the motor. So I'm just going to glue this on there and then get an aluminum motor mount that comes with another motor. I want a slightly larger motor. The motor that comes with this kit, if you buy the motor and the servos, you'll get a 2209, and it's just a little, it's perfect for this plane if you want to fly it really light and poke around. But if you want to fly faster and do some really extreme aerobatics, then you really need to step up a motor size. So I'm going to get a 2214 or 2014, something like that, something larger than a 2209. So my next step is to put the wings together, and then basically the plane is assembled. So I'm going to glue these together I want it perfectly flat. I don't want any any of this in it, or this. So I'm going to glue them together just like that. And I just stick it down on the table. Make sure you get the front of it perfectly aligned. Don't go by that. Take a little piece of this stuff and wipe some of the excess off. And it glued to the table a little bit, but that's okay. This is really a rigid plane. I'm going to be cutting it up because I want to make it a backpack plane. But once you glue the fuselage to the wings and the tail, this is a pretty indestructible plane. And especially with a light motor. If you keep it light, keep it down to under 250 grams. But I'm going to put a slightly heavy motor on it. I'm also going to use a 3S 800 milliamp 3S LiPo because I like the extra power and I like the extra weight in the nose. I didn't show all the details in making the these spars, removable spar holders, and it was ugly. Anyway, I drilled these in here manually and made a lot of mistakes and had to make some patches. And so, but I learned a lesson. Next time I will cut these out underneath, cut them out underneath, and then place them in there instead of trying to drill them at the correct angle. Okay, I got it all in a bag anyway. Theoretically, it could go into a fairly large backpack, medium-sized backpack, maybe a 40 liter. So we'll see how it flies. Alright, ready? Okay, here's my backpackable airplane, although it looks like I bent my tail a bit. But, oh, it should straighten out. Okay, so there's 3 pieces here. Alright, so I need to put it together. Oh, I need these things too. Alright, so it's 5 pieces. If I can remember how it goes together. It goes like that, and it goes like this. Is that right? Something like this. See? Something like that. This. There we go. Alright, so there's one wing. And here. Uh-oh. I wonder if I put it in backwards. Maybe I got it backwards. Yeah. Maybe. Oh yeah. That one goes in there. And this one goes in here. I'm gonna run out of film. I run out of space.
Just enough for you.
Alright, there we go. Alright, now that one there. That one there. Looking better. Okay. And yeah. Okay. Now one piece left. I have to do this. Alright, you can probably turn it off now.
Why?
Because this is going to take me a while. Ready? I gotta try to get my airplane. Well, that was weird.